Welcome back! Let's explore a few more words with the ah sound before putting them into sentences. Now don't forget, we're going to repeat the word 3 times. First, hold the ah sound for 3 seconds, then 1, then we will say the word normally. Okay, let's do it. Our first set of words has the ah sound right at the beginning. Are you ready? Here we go. On, on, on. Odd, odd, odd. Art, art, art. Office, office, office. Honest, honest, honest. Now you try. Awesome. Our next set of words has the ah sound in the middle of the word. Remember to hold ah for 3 seconds for the first time. Calm, calm, calm. Drop, drop, drop. Apartment, apartment, apartment. Alarm, alarm, alarm. Heart, heart, heart. Your turn. Great job. Our last set of words has the ah sound at the end of the words. To practice the ah sound, we add it here too. Are you ready? Here we go. Car, car, car. Far, far, far. Spa, spa, spa. Grandma, grandma, grandma. Panama, Panama, Panama. Give it a try. Brilliant. Now let's try to put all of these words into sentences. I will say each sentence twice. First, I will say it slowly and focus on the sound. Then you will hear it naturally. All right, let's do this. Ready? I always feel calm at the spa. I always feel calm at the spa. Why don't you give that a try? Great. Let's try another one. Don't look at the art. It's way too odd. Don't look at the art. It's way too odd. Your turn. One more sentence. Why not? Did they stop in Panama to buy a new car? Did they stop in Panama to buy a new car? Your turn. Excellent. Now let's try with a little longer sentence. I put a lot of big red hearts in my apartment. I put a lot of big red hearts in my apartment. Try it. Okay, this is the last one, I promise. My grandma dropped by my office to give me some Pop-Tarts. My grandma dropped by my office to give me some Pop-Tarts. Your turn. Amazing job. You did it. You made it to the end of day 3. I hope that this sound becomes easier to you. If you want to spend a little more time on it, please replay this lesson as many times as you need. If not, we'll see you in the next lesson. See you soon. Bye.